What's up, everybody? Chef Round Eye here on the Griddle Food Network, where we take backyard barbecuing to the next level. If this is your first time here, thanks for checking out the channel. Consider hitting that subscribe button so you get all the notifications of all the great cooks we do here on the channel. Today's cook, we're going old school. A Mama Round Eye special that she used to make when I was a little guy, potatoes and eggs. It's gonna look like it's part of the omelet family. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. But it's something she used to make for me when I was a little kid, and now I'm going to go ahead and attempt it on the griddle top. So, without any further ado, griddle up. All right, let's go over our ingredients today for potatoes and eggs. So, I've got cheese, 1 cup each for each one of these that I'm making, sweet onion that I've got diced up, 1 orange bell pepper, and then these baby Dutch yellow potatoes. So how I like to do my potatoes, I cut them up ahead of time, and because there's a lot of starch in potatoes, I like to boil them first. So what I do is after they're cut up, I get a pot of water, get it boiling. Once the water's boiling, I put the potatoes in there. I let them sit for 7 minutes. The minute time's up, pull them out through a strainer. Then I put them out on one of my boards here, and then I drizzle them with extra virgin olive oil, salt, and pepper. Eggs, 5 eggs, whipped up, ready to go. Again, I'm making 2 of these. And to keep this in a traditional potatoes and egg style, like Mama Round Eye used to make when I was a little guy, I'm not doing it in a frying pan or on the stove, so using the griddle. I've got this nice 4-inch ring I'll be doing one at a time. So let's get this food on the griddle. All right, so first let's go over my temperature gauges. So I've got my both ends are on high heat. The 2 middle ones are off. I initially started them off as low to get heat going into the middle. Then I turned them off. I've got the outside burners all the way up on high. I've got a griddle top here about 325 degrees. So let's start off with our onions. As you can see, it's not that hot because we're not getting that fanfare. Oh, there they are. And we'll go ahead and get the peppers on there. And new little back door here. And we're going to be using extra virgin olive oil. As you can see, nice and hot. You can hear that sizzle from the griddle top on the onions. Little yellow potatoes, already seasoned with salt and pepper, drizzled in extra virgin olive oil. All right, our potatoes are getting nice and crisped up over here. Our onions are getting sauteed, the peppers getting sauteed, so we're going to marry them up in the middle here. Then we'll move them off to the side, and we'll go ahead and get our ring out and get ready for our first one. All right, so we got our potatoes, got some onions, we've got some bell peppers in here. Everything's seasoned just the way I want to. All right, I'll move these over here off to the side. This happened. Now, traditionally, like Mama used to do, it was just potatoes and eggs, some scrambled eggs, overcooked potatoes. I'm adding a little twist to it. I've got sauteed onions, bell peppers mixed in there. Now, don't get me wrong. If I would have asked for that, you know, being a little guy, Mama Round, I would have been like, sure. But back in the day, we were really poor, so we were thankful just to have potatoes and some eggs. So, all right, so I got my 4-inch ring. All right, let's get some nonstick in here. Again, first attempt at this, so let's see how we do. We won't overload it here, just some scrambled egg. There's 5 eggs here. Obviously, I'm not going to use it all, so we're going to go ahead and We'll see how we do. To make sure that nothing is going to ooze out of there, I'm going to go ahead and just keep that just like that. Big spatula, about the same that we can get underneath there. It's about this top stuff that's still just almost cooked, and I'm trying to avoid the splatter when we do the flip. It's one thing I should have paid attention to Mom on how she did that. But it's all about learning, so let's see how we did. Here we go, and boom. So there's one. So my first attempt at it, and it's looking just like Mom made. Eggs are cooked. They're not overcooked, but they are cooked. And let's get a plate. And pull our ring. And voila. Potatoes and eggs. Again, it's in the omelet family. It's not necessarily an omelet, but here's our first one. So I'm going to let this one cool down, start another one. All right, we're going to go ahead and let this one go. We're going to take a quick break, and we'll be right back.
1989, Michigan Seton Hall, about to hit the game-winning free throw with no time left. And he makes it look... Oh, he just... Get in there! He just... Oh, dang it! Little help! Son of a... Come on! And he makes it look this easy. Of course, it was harder for him with all the screaming fans and the pressure.
Success. Kept everything in a ring, didn't make a huge splatter, didn't have an epic fail for everyone to see. They both look fantastic. They look just like Mom used to make. That 4-inch ring came out perfect for these. Again, I know some people may say it's an omelet, others say it's not. I personally don't think of it as an omelet, but you know, to each their own. It doesn't really bother me. Let me know what you think. Smash that like button. Leave your comments below. Let me know if you like this. It's a quick meal to make on the Blackstone. It's easy, very simple. You can add all different types of veggies or even bits of bacon or sausage to this if you'd like. Keep it in a nice ring. But let's go ahead and let's test it out and let's see if I'm close to Mama Round Eye. So this is the one without the, this is one with cheese in it. So this one's for Lady Round Eye, so she knows I'm taking a bite of it. That's too big. Don't want to stuff my face. All right, let's take a bite. Excellent. You can taste the cheese, the different flavors, the onions, the peppers, seasoning on the potatoes. You know, they're crisped up on the outside, but a little bit soft in the middle. Very good. The egg is cooked, but it's not burnt. That's good. Let's try some here. A little bit of cheese on top. Actually, we'll stay away from the cheese. You already got a bite over there. It's just regular. Some egg here. Fantastic. Mama Round Eye, I hope you're watching. You should be watching. In fact, you know, actually, I don't think Mama Round Eye subscribed, but that whole subscribe thing and technology, Mama Round Eye, she just send her the video, she watches it, and then she'll call me to say good job or you're an idiot. I won't say what she normally tells me, but the family knows, and I'm sure they're all laughing. But anyways, great cook, easy, potatoes and eggs on the Blackstone Griddle. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Again, consider hitting that subscribe button, smash the like button, leave your comments below. Right eye out. Griddle up.